Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to get money off of a Rapid Pay card. Watch the video until the end to learn more. ATM withdrawals. ATM withdrawals are the fastest way to get cash off your Rapid Pay card. You can do this from in-network ATMs like Allpoint or MoneyPass, which provide surcharge-free access worldwide. Here's how to use your Rapid Pay card at an ATM. Visit a Rapid Pay compatible ATM and insert your card into the machine. Enter your PIN to confirm your identity and choose the account you want to withdraw money from. Enter the amount and choose the currency denominations. Confirm your selection and remove your card. Collect the cash and your receipt. Transfer the money to Cash App. Alternatively, you can transfer the money into your Cash App mobile app. Here's how. Open the Cash App mobile app and log in if you haven't already. Go to your profile and select Linked Banks. Tap Linked Debit Card and enter your Rapid Pay card details. Tap Add Card once done. Return to the app's homepage and select Add Cash. Select the amount you want to move from Rapid Pay to Cash App, then tap Add. Doing so transfers money from Rapid Pay to Cash App. So there you have it. That's how to get money off your Rapid Pay card. Thanks for watching. Until next time.